Welcome back, students. Hope everyone are fine, enjoying your holidays and you're as well as doing your academics, right? So before moving ahead, I want to tell about our initiative, our school initiative. What is it? It is SMS. Here S stands for social distancing. I hope you are repeating with me. M is for mask and S is for soap. We should maintain a physical distance. We should wear a mask and use soap for cleaning our hands. This is our school initiative. Hope everyone are following. Yes, let's move to our class. So in the previous class, we have learned our exercise 2.2. We have completed it. Now in this video, we are going to start with our place value, face value, expanded forms, standard forms, and if it is possible, we will definitely try out exercise 2.3. Okay. So before moving ahead, I request everyone to open your classwork, textbook and pencil. So in term book, please open page number 113, 113. Okay. Yes, I hope everyone are ready. So let us begin with our face and place value. We have already learned about place and face value. Let us have a small recap. What is face value? Face value means the face value of a single digit is the same. Yes, the digit is not going to change. The face value of any digit is the digit itself. So you see in your page 113 what they have given. This face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Means the value will not change when we are writing the face value. The value will not going to be changed. Next, place value. Where we are going to use place value? Yes, we are going to use in expanded form. So how to write expanded form? Expanded form means where we will write in elaborate form, right? So there we are going to use place value. Let us see a small example for place value. Place value. So what is place value? Here, to find place value, now if you are taking an example, 4987. I want to find the place value of 7, 8, 9 and 4. So how to find? Let us first write what is the values, place values. This is starting from the right, ones, tens, 100 and this is 1000. This is what we know, right? Now to find place value, simply what we will do, we will multiply the digit with its value. Now 4, we are taking 4. Now the digit, it is at which place? It is at thousands place. We are going to multiply that with 1000. 4 into 1000 is 4000. So the place value of the digit 4 in this number is 4000. Similar way if you go with 9. Now the digit is 9. I am going to multiply with its value. Now 9 is at 100 place. So 9 into 100, that is 900. So the digit 9, what is its value? It is 900. Place value of 9 is 900. Similarly, what is the place value of 8? It is 80. Very good. It is 80 because we multiply 8 with 10. It is at tens place. So 8 into 10 is 80. And same way 7 is at ones place. So 7 into 1 is 7. Right? What we have done? We have written the number. How to find place value? To find place value, we will multiply the digit with its value. So here they have given an elaborate form. Like they have given the formula. Place value. See what they have given? Place value of a digit means face value of the digit. Face value means the same digit. The face value of 4 in this number is 4. So what they are telling? Face value of the digit is multiplied with value of the place. Now let us see how is the example is matching or not. Face value of the digit. What we said face value means the value will not change. The number, the digit will be the same. If I tell what is the face value of 4 here? Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 9 is 9. Place value is 4000. Place value is 900, place value is 80, place value is 70. Face value, when coming to face value of 4 in this number is 4. Face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 7 is 7. So there is no change. The number is same, right? That is what face value. So face value of the digit. Now I am taking what is the face value here? If you are starting from first, the face value is 4. 4 is multiplied. Let us write the symbol. Value of the place. It is line in which place value? It is in thousands place, right? Into 1000. This is what we have done here. 4 into 1000. This is just like a formula. Simply you remember, place value means we will multiply the digit with its value. That is what place value. Okay. Face value means the number will be the same. Place value means the digit is multiplied by its value. Is place value. This is what place and face value. Hope it is very clear. Now let's move on to our next, that is expanded form. Yes. So what I said expanded form means it is in elaborate form where we are using place values. Okay. Now what is expanded form? Expanded form means sum of the place values. Sum of the place values. Now we have already know what is place value, how to find place value. Just now we have taken example as 4987. Right? We know what is the place value of 4 in this number is 4000. Right? Place value of 9 was 900. Place value of 8 is 80. Place value of 7 is 7. Now what they are doing expanded form? Sum. Sum is nothing but addition. So what we are going to do? Addition of place values. Now we have written place value. Simply we are going to add it. This is what our expanded form. Where we have written in detail. What is form is? In detail we have written, we have added plus. This is what our sum. Right? If you take one more example like 587. We want to write expanded form. First we will write place values. Right? Now we can also write this 500. Because 5 is in which place? It's in 100 place. Plus 8 is in tens place, so 8 10 plus 7 ones. This method of way of writing we call it as expanded in words. Expanded form in words. There we have written in words 100, 10 ones. Or you can also write 5 is in which place now? 100, so 5 into 100. 8 is in tens place, so 8 into 10. And 7 is at ones place, so 7 into 1. See, this is what our expanded form. This way you can write a 5 into 100 how much? 500. 8 tens are 80. 7 ones are 7. These are the three methods we can write our expanded form. Okay? These two are the similar way. Either you can multiply or leave it, or you can write the complete. After multiplying, you can write the value. Okay? So this way of writing called as expanded form in words, where we are writing in words. 500 plus 810 plus 7 ones. This is our expanded form. Now let's move with the standard form. Standard form. Now what is standard form? Standard form you can also say as short form. Short form. What is short form? In standard form, they will already give the question in expanded form. Now, if you take the same example, 500 plus 80 plus 7. Okay. They will give the question in this model, that is in expanded form. We have to write in short form. Now, 5 is in which place? It is in hundreds place. This is at the 8 tens place, and this is at ones place. So, highest place is 100. Let us write the value. Place values ones, tens, 100. Okay, I have written the three places. Now 500. So I am writing 5 in hundreds place. Similarly, we will write 8 in tens place and 7 in ones place. This is our short form. So what we have seen in standard form, they will give in short form. We have to write in expanded form. Whereas coming to short standard form, they will give in expanded form. We will write in short form. This is what our standard form. So what we have learned? Place value, face value, expanded form and standard form. Now let us move to our exercise 2.3. So before going ahead, I request everyone to open your classworks, take your pencils and be ready. Okay. So open page number 115. So exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. First bit. See what is the question they have given for the first bit. Write the face value and the place value of the color digit in each of the following numbers. So we have to only write what is the face value and place value of the color digit, not each and every digit, only the color digit. Okay. Now let us see first one. That is 1,27,804. Fine. So what we have to write? Face and place value of only color digit. Now if I write face value, how we are going to write this? Face value of 0. What is face value? What we said? Face value of any digit in the number is the same, right? Is the same. So now face value of 0 is, right, it is 0. It is 0. Next, place value. Place value of 0. What is the place value of 0 here? It's 10. It is at 10 position. If you see, this is 1s and this is 10s, right? 0 into 10 is 0. So the face value of 0 is 0. That's it. We have to write only face value and place value. Next, let us write for D1. Let us write D. What is it? 9764. And the color digit here is 7. Okay. Now what we have to write? Face value. Face value of 7. What is the face value of 7? Right, it is 7. It is 7. Next, place value of 7. Now you see the number here, the comma is after 2 digits. So this is, we know that this is an Indian form. So if you write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. So 7 is at which place? It is at lakhs place. So 7, lakh value is how much? 7, lakh value is 7 after 5 zeros. 7 after 5 zeros. So the face value of 7 is, place value of 7 is 7 lakh. So the same way you just do only B and E. In first bit, you do only B and E. Here B is same as A and E is same as D. Okay. Now let us move ahead with our next second bit. Okay, now see what is the second bit. Write the place value of the color digit in each number. Also write the sum of the place values of the color digit. Just now we have seen how to write the place and face value of color digit. But in the next one, second bit, they have given 2 color digits. Means we have to find place value of the 2 digits and we have to write sum. Sum means addition. We are going to add those 2 place values. If you see the first one, 8,14,549. 8,14,549. Here the color digit is 8 and 5. What they are saying to write? Place value of the color digit. So please let us write first one. Place value of 5. We'll move from the right. So let us first for 5. Place value of 5. Now 5 is at which place? It is at 100 place. If you see, ones, tens, 100, this is 1000 and this is 10,000 lakhs. So 5 is at 100 place. So what we'll do? Place values 5 into 100 is 500. Right? Next, place value of 1. Place value of 1. Now the 1 is at which place? It is at 10,000 place. So 1 into 10,000. 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. This is what we have written. Now what is the next step? What they are asking? Also write the sum of the place values. Now we have to write the sum, means we will do the addition. Now sum of place values of 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is. Now what is here? It is 10,000. This is 500. So 10,000 plus 500. So what is the answer? 10,500 is the answer. This is how we write place value of 5, place value of 1, sum of the place values. So we are going to add both the place values. This is the sum of the color digit 1 and 5. Okay. So the same bit you can go with B and C. So in second bit you write the homework as B and C. Okay. Now we will move with our next third bit. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Hope everyone are following. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Also write the expanded form in words. So 10 lakhs, 32,522. Firstly, we have to write expanded form and also write expanded form in words. Both we are going to write. So let us write expanded form. Expanded form. Now if you see what is expanded form, if you write place values ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So what now expanded form of 1. 1 is at 10 lakh place. So let us okay. 1 is at 10 lakh place. So we will write 10 lakhs. Plus. Next 0 is at lakhs position, so 0 into lakh is always 0. Now next is this is 3 is at 10,000 place, that is 30,000 plus. Now 2 is at thousands place, so 2,000. 5 is at 100 place, so 500 plus 20 plus 2. This is our expanded form. And expanded form in words. Expanded form in words. In word means we are just going to write what it is. Now 10 here 1 is at 10 lakhs place. So what we will write? 1 in 10 lakh. Lakh place is not there. Next is 3 in 10,000 plus 2 is at thousands place. So 2,000 plus 500. 210 plus 2 ones. This is how we are going to write expanded form and expanded form in words. So similarly, you just write B and C. Hope the class is very clear. So in first bit I have given B and E, in second bit B and C, and third bit B and C. The same way you follow by seeing the first and second one and try to solve those problems. Okay. Hope this class is very clear. We will meet up in our next class. Thank you.